do you want to eat something sweet? You're like, yeah, something sweetish, but not too sweet. I'm like, okay, do you want to eat something spicy? You're like, yeah, a bit of spice, but not too much of spice. I'm like, okay, do you want something lemony? You're like, yeah, a bit of lemony, but not too much of lemony. And somebody said, what's wrong with you? What is this whole idea of confusion? Now people think confusion is about being pulled in multiple directions, and that is a problem because of all this, multi-faceted force that I experience. I do not know what I should do right now. So confusion is a feedback mechanism that your body and mind creates on a regular basis when the things that you're doing are not working for you. How will you make the course correction? How will it be even possible? It can't happen if whatever you're doing is constantly working and you're happy about it and you're like, oh, this is perfect. Rarely people break what is working and change things. It is when you feel confused is where the door opens. Is when you feel confused is where you sit down and say, okay, do I need to make any change? And then you do make that change. It is the confusion, which is that space of possibility where you actually go beyond your so-called set idea of life and career and all of that. So right now, instead of looking at confusion as a problem, the very moment you start looking at that as a possibility, you'll change the game by itself. So let's look at it. When till the time you had a job where other people were like telling you what to do, what not to do, you were following the expectations.
Mm.
Now, when you don't have that job and when you have to choose things for yourself, you're confused. Confusion is a problem when you're unwilling to try and test new things, where you want the answer without having taken the action. But on a regular basis, if you're confused, that means you do have liking and disliking towards both the options or multiple options in front of you. Isn't that as simple as this? Otherwise, you wouldn't have been confused. If you would have known I don't like it, you wouldn't open that door. But here you are, you're like, I like bit of that, but I also don't like it. I like this B option, but I also don't like it. Now that is a space to know exactly what you want. And instead of dismissing, why am I confused all the time and being self critical, if you say, okay, probably I have to look for the third option, which has bit of A and bit of B. So I ask you, Ruchita, do you want to eat something sweet? You're like, yeah, something sweetish, but not too sweet. I'm like, okay, do you want to eat something spicy? You're like, yeah, a bit of spice, but not too much of spice. I'm like, okay, do you want something lemony? Like, yeah, a bit of lemony, but not too much of lemony. And somebody said, what's wrong with you? But you do have pani puris, which gives you all of it together. Now, and listen to you don't explore and you don't have that first bite of pani puri and like, oh my god, this is exactly what I was looking for, right? Now, you may think that I'm confused because I'm not able to tell whether I want sweet or spicy. But what if you want that specific flavor, which is the combination of multiple things? And what if this is where you're going to feel happy? If you give up that quest only because you're confused right now, then you won't be able to experience what is your unique flavor of doing things.